Amber is the name and wellness is my game. And I'm having one of those days where I need to give myself a little extra self-care. I need the TLC today, and I'm excited because I'm gonna share with you a wellness product from the Japanese brand MYTREX. And it is their EMS Head Spa Pro device. Look at that, so fancy. I like it, I like it. This device was sent to me at the exact right time. I've been under quite a bit of stress the last 2 weeks. I recovered from a mild cold. And you know, sometimes circumstances just cause more inflammation in the body. And I'm trying to soothe and calm myself down. So this is the perfect item to do so. It provides scalp and hair care using EMS technology or low-level electrical currents which activate the muscles and stimulate blood circulation. So the MYTREX Head Spa Pro also comes with the handy charger, and then when you turn it on, it not only provides the EMS electrical current for massage, but also 9 red LED lights with the 630 nm wavelength. And actually the 630 nm wavelength has been shown to reduce inflammation, yes, that is what I need, improve skin texture, and enhance the healing process. So it's great for the skin and the scalp. It's important to note that the combination of the EMS technology and the red light therapy stimulates your scalp's blood flow and calms the scalp for healthy hair growth. Before I demo for you this MYTREX EMS Head Spa Pro, oh yeah, we're gonna experience it. I wanna know how this feels on my scalp. You can also use it for your skin and to help lift and massage your face. So we're gonna try this. I wanted to show you though that in addition to these attachments, I think this is great for the scalp. They just pop right off. Also included are these ones, which have more silicone teeth, so it's still very soft. I think that's for a little bit deeper massage on the scalp. And then this one I'm gonna try for my face. It provides a little bit of a different surface on its prongs, so I'm gonna try that for my face. And I'm gonna use the ones that came on it for my scalp. Now this is waterproof, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and do my exercise routine, as that is one of my other ways to de-stress. And I'm trying to be very consistent with this week. It's part of my blueprint goals is to work out 1 hour every day, giving myself Sundays to relax. So 6 days a week, 1 hour. It's so important, I know this cognitively, to exercise. That's what keeps the mind healthy longer as we age. So even when it gets hard to fit in the exercise, I'm putting it all to the side. This hour is me time. And then I will come back and I will get all showered and experience the many benefits of the EMS Head Spa Pro. So I'm gonna turn this on. And it starts on the first setting. Okay, this honestly feels so good. Wow. I can honestly just feel the tension melting away. Oh my gosh. Who needs a boyfriend when you have this? I mean, I do want a boyfriend one day, I do, but I'll remain selective. This feels so good. Oh my gosh. That's an area. Oh my gosh. I feel like it's massaging out a knot. Okay, let's increase the speed. Oh my gosh. I am like falling asleep here. 11 out of 10, I recommend. This is awesome for that extra self-care that sometimes you just really need. Oh, I want to keep going. So if you're interested in wellness devices like MYTREX Head Spa Pro, you can head to the MYTREX website and use my code AMBER, all caps, AMBER, for 30% off your order from November 15th through November 30th. After November 30th into December, it goes down to 10% off any order with my code AMBER. So definitely do your shopping now between November 15th and 30th for 30% off. Thank you for watching this video and stay well.